Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate ko, Beshi. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung cross-watchers ni Scorpio at ang mga bago po nating viewers. As promised po, ito yung part 2 ng reading natin for Scorpio. At tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung kung gabay yung susunod dito sa naging unang reading natin. Okay? Kung gabay parang follow-up. We have the Three of Pentacles, the World, we have the King of Pentacles, the Moon, the Hierophant, and the Knight of Cups. We have the Nine of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Seven of Swords. Bottom niya is the Seven of Cups. Okay, Scorpio. Now, yung heart of the reading, yung second reading natin, the Three of Pentacles. Now, nagfo-focus ka dito sa work mo, no? You're trying to see, you wanted na maging maganda yung outcome nung pakikipag-coordinate o pakikipag-cooperate mo sa mga kasama mo sa work. And I guess yung sinasabi dito ng with the world card, no, being crossed by the world, may ending na, no, merong pagtatapos dito sa ginagawa mong project o sa work na ginagawa mo. It could also mean, Scorpio, na you are trying to have that harmonious relationship with your person, no? Kasi dito, 'di ba, kung gaba in-approach ka niya para masabi nga niya sa iyo kung ano yung damdamin niya talaga, in-explain niya kung ano nangyari before, but now you are trying to see on your side na kaya ko ba makipag-cooperate dito sa person ko ngayon? You know, yun yung isang question mo. And you wanted na, kasi gusto mo na nga sanang magkaroon ng panibagong cycle with your person. Mabago, you know? Mabago yung takbo ng relationship nyo. O magkaroon ng new beginning. Kasi nung nakaraan, in the past, with the King of Pentacles, this is somebody na stable, somebody na talagang you are secure, masisecure mo talaga. I mean, yung feeling na secure ka, na feeling na stable ito. But I think it is also something to do na baka yung person mo is in a relationship. Kasi this is the King of Pentacles, no? Baka naisip mo na kaya ko ba to, kasi nakikita ko na isang doubt, no? Bakit ako nagkaroon ng parang, yung doubt sa pag-iisip ko is baka yung person ko is already in a relationship or maybe married, no? And yung naging focus nga kasi niya is more of really working very hard, ini-establish niya yung sarili niya. And kung gaba ngayon with the Knight of Cups, ngayon nag-o-offer siya ng love, no? Dati work, ngayon lumapit siya para i-offer niya yung kanyang love. And hindi lang yon, kundi pati marriage, no? Nag-o-offer na siya ng marriage. Wherein yung dati niya rito, umalis siya, nag-walk away siya, iniwan niya ako, tinalikuran niya ako. Pero ngayon, nag-o-offer siya ng marriage. Maybe sinasabi nga dito, if there is something in doubt, pwede rin kasi na talagang in-establish lang niya muna yung sarili niya to be financially secure. Kasi nga, kung gaba parang, ano yung ilalakas ng loob ng tao na to na mag-offer kung wala naman siyang capability to support a family, no? But this time, I think nagawa niya na yon kasi talagang magaling siya, no? Pinapatunayan niya mabuti na meron siyang special skills o magaling siya talaga sa ginagawa niya. Kaya kung gaba parang maganda yung kanya nagiging takbo ng kanyang career. Kaya nga ngayon malakas na yung loob niya mag-offer ng marriage, mag-offer ng love, mag-offer ng love and marriage sa'yo. Or your person wanted definitely to be in a relationship with you, no? Maybe not necessarily to get married right away, but definitely to be in a relationship with you. But in the near future, parang hindi mo makita, no? With the moon, this is an energy coming from a Pisces. Though, yung first reading natin, there is this Ten of Pentacles, na talagang nakikita nung person mo na ikaw na yung talagang gusto niyang makasama panghabang buhay. But for you, hindi mo makita ito. There's still something that is not clear, totally clear to you. Kung gaba pakiramdam mo is, meron tong tinatago sa akin. And it brings some thinking, no? Some worries, some concern, to a point na pakiramdam mo kasi parang ginajuggle ka with somebody else, with another one. Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko, the fact na this is the King of Pentacles, no? In the past. So, possible na pwede talagang in a relationship na siya. So, pakiwaring mo na merong kung gaba parang meron kang katapat, yung ganun na pakiramdam, na yung person mo hindi 100% nakatutok sa'yo. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga ano mo kung gaba yung fear, yung takot mo na, 'di ba, baka lokohin lang ako nito. Na baka kung gaba ginu-good time lang ako nito with the devil energy. Na baka ang gusto lang nito sa akin is sexual, or baka alam mo yun, pang ano lang ako, pang sandali lang ako, o pang dito lang ako sa sideline. In other words, hindi siya ganun katotoo sa akin. And yung outcome kasi, kung gaba ko anong kinukutuban mo, the outcome is the Seven of Swords, which is may panglilin lang, no? There is something na deceitful, pangloloko, o nag-cheat, or something na talagang hindi mabuti. Kaya kung gaba, there is an option for you to be happy, no? Nasa sayo yan, and to have this new beginning, no? To have something very passionate and new beginning, and again to Be happy ka, kasi with the Ten of Cups, nasa sayo talaga, ikaw ang magkocontrol nitong sitwasyon na to. It's up to you kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Kasi you have the option, you're given the option to choose. And to choose what? To be happy? To be passionate of what you wanted? Ito yun, with the Ten of Cups, with the person that you wanted. No? Ngayon, depende na yun kung ito ba yung person na to na lumapit sa'yo at gusto kang o yung person na lumapit sa'yo at gusto makipag-relasyon sa'yo. Okay? So, ang ano dyan is, be careful kasi nga, hindi ka basta-basta kukutuban kung wala kang, ano yung walang basis. Maybe that's why sa near future malabo, hindi mo makita na talaga itong person na nag-offer sa iyo is the one na talagang makakatuluyan mo kung gaba. Kasi nga meron kang pakawari na meron tong ginagawang hindi mabuti. Okay? So let me clarify. Bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? We have, again, the Moon, the Knight of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. Bottom niya is the Sun. Though, maligaya ka, no? Maligaya ka dito sa tao na to, nagbibigay siya ng kaligayahan sa'yo. But still, kung bakit pakiramdam mo is merong pangloloko na nangyayari o pagsisinungaling o pagtatago, is because talagang hindi mo, there's something you feel there is a secret. May sikreto na tinatago. Kasi yung person mo has this energy of the Knight of Wands na parang in and out, no? Yung andyan lang siya, temporary ang dating. Hindi siya consistent, in other words. Kaya kung gaba parang pakiramdam mo is bigla na lang nawawala. Yung feeling na aalis, tapos babalik, aalis, babalik. So, hindi ka sure. So, ang gusto mo is umalis, mawala dito sa relationship na to. Kung gaba parang hindi ito yung person na hinahanap mo. All the while, akala mo siya na kasi nga, umpisa nung reading is maganda, may message, nag-offer siya na mag-usap kayo, in-explain niya kung ano yung nangyari, bakit hindi siya makapagbigay ng time and effort sa'yo, kaya nag-walk away siya. But this person has realized na you are the one for him or her, kaya gusto niyang magkabalikan kayo and build up this relationship. Eventually, magsabi na ito yung plano ko, ito yung gusto ko mangyari, and etc. etc. Now, this is second reading. Your person is really working very hard, but ikaw, nakita mo na, kine-question mo yung sarili mo na, can I be able to cooperate with this person? Magiging in harmony ba yung relationship namin? Because ang nakikita ko is, parang magkakaroon kami ng panibagong cycle, an ending of what is happening right now. Kasi, sabi ko nga, in the past, your person might be in a relationship already. Secure ga siya, financially, maayos na siya kasi nagtrabaho naman siya talaga. Pero yung status kasi niya in life, kine-question because ngayon, hindi mo maintindihan dahil ngayon nag-o-offer siya ng love and wanted really to make sure that you and your person be in a relationship. But sabi ko nga, you are in doubt. Meron kang doubt dito sa tao na to. Kaya pinag-iisipan mo mabuti kasi ang pakiramdam mo, you are being parang juggled with another thing or another person. So, hindi ka sure dito. That's why yung feeling na kinakatakutan mo na baka loko-lokohin ka lang. Ito nga, yung kutob mo is really something to do with pangloloko, panglilinlang, pagsisinungaling, o may tinatago siya. That's why, yung clarify natin, definitely may sikreto kasi yung person mo is not totally consistent pagdating sa pagbibigay ng love and attention sa'yo. And that's why you are considering of walking away. Kasi you are given naman an option, di ba? Kahit sabihin natin na ikaw, no, binibigyan ka ng kaligayahan nitong person na to. But the thing is, pakiramdam mo is merong something na hindi clear. There is this parang lihim or secret na hindi mo pa alam kung bakit ganito yung nararamdaman mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message for Scorpio. We have full moon in Sagittarius. See the bigger picture. Okay? See the bigger picture. Now, first quarter moon in Pisces. Honor your feelings. And first quarter moon in Capricorn. Unleash your kindest self. Okay, what else? Kung ano pa yung message? We have acceptance. I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. Okay, Scorpio. Balance. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. So you need to balance things. And imagination. I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. Okay. So yun yung mga advice sa'yo dito. Tignan mo yung buong picture, no? Maybe not just one. Kung may mga doubts ka nga, just look at it. I guess you need to find more, no, information about this person. Kasi kung pakiramdam mo nga is ganito na parang may nililihim, find out. Para maalis yung doubt na yon at hindi ka isip ng isip. Diba? Do nakikita mo kasi nga na masaya ka dito sa tao na to, siya nagbibigay ng kaligayahan sa'yo. But on the other side, meron ka pa rin doubt, which is not really good. Kasi dapat, if you're truly in love with this person, wala dapat ganun doubt. Diba? Dapat sure ka. Kasi, kung nakikita ko naman dito, your person has the intention of getting in a relationship with you. Ikaw yung medyo pumipigil o nag-i-stop na parang, teka muna, kailangan alamin ko muna mabuti kung ano na yung sitwasyon nitong tao na to bago ko to pasukan. So, ganun siya. Okay? Which is good kasi dapat lang naman na you are just being cautious about things and making sure na hindi ka masaktan at the end of the day. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.